Hi, welcome back to Brass Hall. We're doing another Bartender Sessions. I'm actually going to be making a Cosmopolitan for you today. Special request from my friend Josh out in Iowa. I actually got fans out that far. It's pretty cool. This is starting to grow. I'm liking it. But a Cosmopolitan, insert your New York joke here. We're going to be starting out a little bit of ice in a shaker cup, and it's going to be going in a martini glass. And real simple. You need cranberry juice, a little bit of lime, vodka, his favorite is Belvedere, a great Polish rye vodka, a little bit of triple sec. I'm going to start by simply adding the vodka, 1 ounce, half an ounce of the triple sec, half an ounce of the lime juice, quick shake there. I want about a good 2 ounces of this cranberry because this really is where the magic is with the flavor. Anytime you're mixing a drink, you always think sweet, bitter, sour, kind of a combination of those three. So we're gonna go ahead and shake this very vigorously. Because really, you wanna get the bitter flavors to aromatically come out. We'll strain it out into a martini glass here. And every time you measure, keep in mind this is only a 5-ounce glass. And there we have it, Cosmopolitan.